A week following the announcement of the first round of tributes and mentors that will be appearing in The Hunger Games, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, Lionsgate has announced another collection of starts that will be starring in the upcoming Hunger Games prequel film. The 5 new actors that have joined the cast are Nick Benson, Laurel Marsden, Lilly Cooper, Luna Steeples, and Hiroki Berrecloth. This group will star opposite Tom Blyth as a younger version of Coriolanus Snow and Rachel Zegler, who plays Lucy Gray Baird, a tribute from the impoverished District 12. Benson will play Jessup, a fellow tribute from District 12 alongside Zegler's Lucy Gray Baird. Benson appeared in Netflix's Boo, Bitch and Disney Plus's Big Shot since his graduation. Marsden will play Mayfair Lip, who is the person who places Lucy Gray's name into contention for the 10th Hunger Games. Marsden plays a starring role in the recently released Disney Plus series, Ms. Marvel as Zoe Zimmer. She has previously starred alongside Sophie Turner and Corey Hawkins in Kibi Survive, and also recently completed production on All Fun and Games opposite Asa Butterfield and Natalia Dyer. Collider video of the day. Cooper will play Arachne Crane, mentor to a tribute from District 10. Credits include the role of Myrta in The Witcher Season 1 and 2. Steeples will play Dill, a tribute from District 11. Steeples currently only has 1 credit to her name, which was in 2017 in the series Overdue. Berrecloth will play Treach, tribute from District 7. His previous credits include BBC's Red Rose and the short films Black Lichen, The Intruder, and Why Do You Look at Me with Those Eyes? This announcement comes a week after the reveal of the first slate of actors that would be taking the roles of mentors and tributes in the upcoming prequel. These cast members include Jerome Lance as Marcus, Ashley Liao as Clemencia Dovecote, Knox Gibson as Bobbin, Mackenzie Lansing as Coral, and Amr Hussain as Felix Ravenstill. The upcoming prequel film takes place years before the original story and follows an 18-year-old Coriolanus Snow before he became the tyrannical ruler of Panem. The Hunger Games, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes will be directed by Francis Lawrence, who previously directed the franchises Catching Fire, Mockingjay Part 1, and Mockingjay Part 2. The latest draft of the screenplay is written by Michael Leslie, building off the work of The Hunger Games original author Suzanne Collins and Oscar-winning screenwriter Michael Arndt, who penned a previous draft of the film. Franchise producer Nina Jacobson returns for the film alongside her producing partner Brad Simpson, with Lawrence also serving as a producer. Collins, Tim Palin, and Jim Miller will serve as executive producers, with Meredith Week and Scott O'Brien overseeing on behalf of Lionsgate. The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes premieres in theaters worldwide on November 17, 2023. You can read the official description for the upcoming prequel to the blockbuster franchise down below.